Good morning again. Don't know, sorry for interruption. Don't know what happened, some technical problem. First video was cut in between. Anyway, let us discuss rest of the points that are being covered in this essay Kurk. We have discussed about their origin, about the origin of the natives. We have discussed its location and main months which are important for tourism. We have discussed its plantation, coffee plantation. There are some more points which we need to discuss. First about the people, because if you are fond of reading essays or articles related to army, you must have read about Kurk regiments. They are the most respectable regiments, and Kurk, the people from Kurk are supposed to be the bravest among the army people. Then some games, adventurous games, and some animals are also important here. See, Kurgi people and their homes are known for their hospitality. There are endless tales of valor, valor means bravery, related to the people of Kurk. The Kurk regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian Army. The first chief of the Indian Army, General Cariappa, was a Kurgi. Even today, Kodavas are the only people in India permitted to carry firearms without a license. In Kurk, you can take to high energy adventures like river rafting, canoeing, rock climbing and trekking. Last part is related to Kurk as a tourist destination, a tourist paradise. Birds, bees and butterflies give you company everywhere in Kurk. Macaques, Malabar squirrels, langurs and wild elephants are found in large numbers in the forests. On the top of Brahmagiri hills, you can have a panoramic view of the entire misty landscape of Kurk. The largest Tibetan settlement at Bailakuppe is famous for its Buddhist temple. Let us revise main points once more. Kurk is situated between Mysore and coastal town of Mangalore. Listen carefully, these main points will help you answer the questions. It is called the land of rolling hills. It is inhabited by a proud race of martial men, beautiful women and wild creatures. It is the smallest district of Karnataka. Kurgi is the home of evergreen forests, spices and coffee plantations. September to March is the most pleasant season for the tourists. During this period, weather is perfect and the air breathes of coffee. The people of Kurk are fiercely independent people. They are possibly of Greek or Arabic origin. It is said that a part of Alexander's army settled there and married among the locals. Their long black coat with an embroidered waist belt, kufiya, resembles the kufiya worn by the Arabs. Kurgi homes are known for their hospitality. The Kurg regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian Army. The first chief of the Indian Army, General Cariappa, was a Kurgi. The river Kaveri obtains its water from the hills and forests of Kurg. High energy adventures with river rafting, canoeing, rock climbing and mountain biking are quite popular in Kurk. Birds, bees, butterflies, Malabar squirrels and langurs find shelter in the rainforests of Kurk. The top of the Brahmagiri hills gives you a panoramic view of the misty valley of Kurk. I hope you have understood the things. Tomorrow we will explain the chapter. Thank you.